So today I'm going to be making an ugly Christmas sweater. This is going to be so fun because I've seen people wear them on shows and I've seen people wear them in general. And it seemed really fun to make. So now I'm going to show you guys how to make your own DIY ugly Christmas sweater. But first I'm going to show a close-up of all the stuff I need to make it with. So first I have my Christmas scissors. Then I have 2 popsicle sticks to spread out the glue with. I have E6000 glue. Then I have these colorful sequins. They're tweezers. Okay. Then you're going to need a plain actual sweater. Then we have some presents. And then we have some pom-poms. And underneath the pom-poms we have a tiny little elf. Yay! And then we have some garland. Then we have this tin container to put all the glitter glue and regular glue in. Then we have some glitter glue. Now let's get started with making the sweater. I'm so excited. Okay guys, so we just finished making the sweater and it looks really cool. But I can't hold it up now or wear it for you guys because it's still wet from the glue. And if I put it on or hold it up, it might get smeared or get messed up because it's still wet. So make sure to go to my Instagram page to check out some pics of me wearing my awesome Christmas sweater. Make sure to like and subscribe down below and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!